Welcome back once again, guys. Hope you're having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use technology to your advantage and start taking care about your finances with the use of an app called Money Dashboard. There are several others that you can use, but this is the one I personally use based on my location. I have friends based in the US that use another app called Mint, which you can find the link in the description down below as well, so you can choose let's say the one you prefer. So just follow me now on my computer and I will show you how to use it. Okay guys, so what I want to show you here is how you can use a money dashboard at your advantage. What I want you to do, if you haven't done this already, is go ahead and create an account. I already have mine, so I just need to log in into it, which I already done here. If you haven't done this already, go ahead and add your main bank account, the one you want to track your expenses. And there are plenty of things you can do with it. However, I just want to show you the main three things and the way I personally use it. And the category I want to talk to you about are the transaction category, the budget one, and eventually, if you go all the way down, you can see the spend by category section. These are the main three things I personally use in Money Dashboard. And if you're interested to learn more than the way I use, just let me know in the comment below and I will be more than happy to do another video on it. Or you can also go on YouTube and, well, you are already on YouTube, so just go ahead and type in Money Dashboard and you can go on their main page. If you want to, you can subscribe and go ahead under the playlist section and you can see that there are a lot of video that will explain how to use the website or the app in case you use the app fully. In case you are based in the US and you prefer to use Mint, you can do absolutely the same thing. Just go ahead and type mint.com and you can find all the informations on their page as well. Okay, so we are now back on Money Dashboard main page and let's start off with the transaction category. Alright, so when you are in the transaction category, you can see that there will be many transactions registered and many of them, if this is the first time that you use a Money Dashboard, will be under the name untagged. This is because the system itself still needs to recognize where you are spending your money on. So what I want you to do is to click on the tag name and change it to the appropriate one. Let's say, for instance, that this for you was, I don't know, enjoyment. Just click on enjoyment and, well, it was already enjoyment, so let's just change it again on bills. As you can see now, the tag name has been changed under the name of bills. What I want you to do here is to go ahead and tag as many transactions as you can remember, at least for the previous 3 to 6 months worth of data. Eventually, the system will recognize automatically a similar transaction and it will automatically group them under the same name, under the same tag. So you won't have to do this anymore, or at least not in the same way. The second section I want to talk to you about is the spend by category. This is basically a visual representation of where you are spending your money divided already by category, so you can have an idea at a glance where you're spending your money. So basically from here you can see where your money are going and where you can start to find way to save money. The final section I want to talk to you about instead is the budget category, so just click on it and the very first time you open this page will be blank as mine. This category here is the section where you can start to create budgets and challenge yourself to become better at saving money. Let's say, for instance, that under the spend by category section, you notice that you are spending on average $1,000 per month on your enjoyment, and you want to start cutting back from this section indeed. Let's say that you want to cut 10%, which is $100, okay, because you have $1,000 that you are currently spending minus 10%, which is $100, you come up with a new budget which is $900, such as the difference. So what I want you to do is to go ahead and click on Add Budget. Let's give it the name, let's call it Challenge. Go ahead and type in your new budget amount, which is 900, such as 1000 minus the 10% that you decided to save, and add the tag that you choose to control, which is enjoyment. You can even change the color, you can do many things here, and then click Save. As you can see, a new window has been created down here called indeed Challenge. You can call it as you wish. I want you to use this section here just to make sure you are on track on your new budget. Because the amount you want to save, let's say 10%, needs to be taken away from day one, as soon as you get paid. Remember, the rule here is pay yourself first. And if you want to learn how to save, this needs to be the way. So pay yourself first. So this is how I use Money Dashboard, and this is the way that at least you should use it too. Remember that learn how to save money is absolutely fundamental for your journey towards financial freedom. You won't be financially free only by saving money by all means, okay? But this is where you have to start in order to build your knowledge. Then, once you have mastered how to save properly, I will teach you how you can invest long term, how you can invest short term, how you can speculate in the financial market, day trading. There are many ways that you can use in order to generate more income than your current situation. However, this is absolutely where you have to start. This is the fundamentals. How to save money, learn how to save money is the fundamentals part that you absolutely have to master, all right? Alright guys, so I hope you found this video useful. If something isn't clear or you want me to dig deeper in some specific argument, just let me know in the comment below how I can help you, and I will make sure to reply to all of your questions. And please don't forget to click the like button so we will help the YouTube algorithm to share this video, and remember to subscribe to the channel, which is completely free, and turn on the notification as well so you will not miss any episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.